Dear Dr. Brown, Dear Dr. Brown, please accept our thanks for the valuable part you played in making our conference on consumer advertising at Yard House in South Build memorable one period. I received many comments about the conference, and I found that all of them relating to your speech were especially complimentary paragraph. In the 10 years that I have been conducting this and other seminars, this is the first one where there were so many compliments and so few complaints. Period. I sincerely hope that you will have an opportunity to be present at our conference next year. Paragraph. I have asked Miss Royal of our accounting department to send a check for $250 directly to you. Period. You should have it shortly. Period. Sincerely yours. Dear Sir, yesterday I had a note from our bookkeeper, Mrs. Mary Parcell, telling me that your account, which amounts to $150, was 90 days past due. Paragraph. I know there must be a reason why you have not paid it. Period. Perhaps the payment of your bill slipped your mind completely. Period. In that case, you will be glad to receive this friendly note. Period. If there is a reason why you can pay us now, could you please tell us what it is? Period. It is of considerable importance that your account be settled soon. Period. Sincerely yours.